product. Even better and easier is to use pre-mixed fuel.
Smoothing seams and removing paint or varnish.
Put the Craftsman 3-tool and compressor combo kit to work and start checking off jobs from your to-do list. The 6-gallon compressor is made in the USA with global materials and features a high-performance motor and an oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. It's designed with dual couplers and runs at a high PSI, offering the performance you need, and also includes a hose so you can get started right away. Reach for the 16-gauge finish nailer for installation of baseboards and window casings, the 18-gauge brad nailer for installation of decorative molding, and the pneumatic stapler helps you tackle screening, insulation, upholstery, and more. Take on a full range of projects with the Craftsman 3-tool and compressor combo kit.
Introducing the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. This compact sander features a low-profile design for added control and is ideal for surface preparation, smoothing seams, and removing paint or varnish. Use the included dust bag or connect to a 1 1/4-inch vac hose for high-performance dust collection. It also features a dust-sealed switch, which provides durability. This sander can also be stored easily away between uses. Get your job done the easy way with the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander.
Take pride on both big and small tasks with the Craftsman 120-piece gunmetal chrome mechanics tool set. Each tool is fully coated with a corrosion-resistant durable gunmetal chrome finish, and large markings make it easy to identify sockets. Anti-slip wrench design provides enhanced gripping power and reduces corner rounding damage. A 120-tooth ratchet allows for better turning access in tight spaces, while 6-point sockets provide a firm grip on fasteners for the torque you need to complete tasks with ease. When you're all done, put everything away in a durable blow-molded case with durable latches. Take pride in your work with the Craftsman 120-piece gunmetal chrome mechanics tools.
In this video, we will review detailed instructions on how to start your 2-cycle traditional full start product. If you have a product with this starting, your product carburetor will look similar to this with a lever that has 3 stop locations. Before starting your product, refer to the manual for instructions on fueling your unit. Be sure to wear proper protective equipment outlined in your manual, including safety glasses, and make sure bystanders and pets are 50 feet from you. The first step is always to use fresh gasoline and make sure to mix it to the correct oil ratio for that product. Even better and easier is to use pre-mixed fuel, which you can purchase at any outdoor power equipment retailer. Once the product is fueled, place the unit on a flat surface. Prime your product by fully pressing the primer bulb 10 times until the bulb is almost full with fuel. Move the choke lever to position 1. Then, squeeze and hold the throttle control while pulling the starting rope a maximum of 5 times. If engine starts or attempts to start, stop pulling rope. Now move the choke lever to position 2. Then, squeeze and hold the throttle control while pulling the starting rope 5 to 10 times to start the engine. If the engine does not start after 10 pulls, repeat earlier instructions. Once the engine starts, continue to squeeze the throttle to warm up the engine. Allow the engine to warm up for 60 seconds. Once the engine is warmed up, while continuing to squeeze the throttle, move the choke lever to position 3. The product is ready to be used at this time. If the engine fails to start, begin the starting process again and move lever back to position 1. If the engine still will not start after several attempts, it is most likely due to bad fuel, a dirty air filter, or spark plug. Please refer to your manual for additional troubleshooting tips or contact our customer service department. Now, you're ready to beautify your backyard.
With the Craftsman 7 1/4 inch 15 amp circular saw by your side, you'll tackle your job with confidence. This 15 amp motor coupled with a magnesium shoe gives you the power and durability needed. A 7 1/4 inch carbide tooth blade allows for smooth and quick cutting. Its 55-degree bevel capacity detents at 2 different angles, and tool-free design lets you quickly adjust bevel angle to make precise cuts. Convenience and comfort are also key, thanks to the included rafter hook and contoured handle. For a job well done, you need tools you can trust. Turn to the Craftsman 7 1/4 inch 15 amp shoe circular saw for the reliable performance you need.